Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just received my July Glossy Box, and there's actually products in here that we're going to put to the test today. Lately it has been so much skincare and so many things that I'll unbox and talk about, but I don't actually get to put any of it on my face. So today, that's going to change and I can actually try some products on the box in front of you, with you, while we do a full review and unboxing and try on of the July Glossy Box. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this month's Glossy Box with me, I went over to pick up the box, but I picked up the little brochure. But if you want to jump into this month's box with me, stay tuned. So as always, there is a theme this month. It is the beauty treasures. We love finding hidden gems and discovering new favorites each and every month. From makeup to skincare, hair care, and more, Glossy Box is about giving our subscribers a chance to experience the new and best of beauty. This July, we are bringing you 5 beauty treasures for this special treasure test box for you to try and love. The treasure test box is absolutely adorable. They did actually send me 2 of these. I have an entire second box. So I'm going to do a giveaway in today's video. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below with your favorite item in the box. And one lucky winner is going to get the entire box. There's no variations. It is an identical box. I just have 2 of them. So the first item out of the box, they did actually email me that there was a misprint substitution. So it's supposed to be an eyeshadow duo in Golden Malachite from Cleo Noir. But instead, the first item is the Ciate London Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. This is a travel size. Now, I do already have a little blush on because I don't love illuminating blushes, so I used the Ciate London Marble Light Halo Blush. This came in a Boxycharm a really long time ago, so I figured I'd put on a blush that I liked, and then I can layer this one on top because I think it's going to be a little too glowy for me. So that is the color right there, and it is definitely much more high shine. I did skip the highlight today, so this is actually going to work out perfectly because I can use this as more of a blush topper and highlight. So we're going to amp up the cheek. Is that doing anything? Yeah, it's adding a subtle glow. It's definitely more of a super illuminating blush where I would use it more as a blush topper or a highlighter. Either way, it is adding some nice glow. I'm going to blend it out with my blush brush just to kind of pull that over the cheek because it's giving some really nice radiance to the cheeks. But I definitely would not be able to wear this on its own without looking like a disco ball. You'd be very shiny. But that being said, it is very pretty. This is in the shade Matchmaker, and I kind of like how it looks. I'm just kind of dusting it like everywhere for a little extra glow and shine. The next item out of the box is a brush duo from Eliana Badro. This is the Divine Duo brush set. They're very green in person, but in the picture they look more blue. These are full size, retailing for $34. This beautiful sea green set includes an angled brush and a blending brush. The angled can be used for brow, liner, and eyeshadow, while the blending brush is ideal for creating soft, colorful diffusion or defined blending. I couldn't read that for a second. I am going to use both of these to do a quick eye look. I don't have an eyeshadow in this box, so I'm just going to grab another palette I have. And I'm just going to do something really simple with the Michaela Glam Light palette. But I am going to use some neutrals so that, it's kind of in a vibe all of you can do. I'm going to start with the liner brush. I know I don't normally use brushes like this, but I'm going to go into the shade How You Doin' right here, which is a chocolatey brown. And I'm going to take that and I'm actually going to use this to trace my crease. I really want to set down a thin line of color. I'm not looking to diffuse this just yet. I really just want to trace the crease. Dipping into the blending brush with that same color, I'm going to blend that above the eye, but I'm not going to put that below. I really want to just blow out some diffusion into the transition area and above the crease, but I'm leaving the lid blank. Using the fluffy brush, I'm going to take the same color on the lower lash line. Now on the side of this brush, I'm going to go into Willow, the darker shade in the top right corner. And I'm not taking a lot. I'm taking a very small amount. And I am just going to add a little bit of smoke to the outer corner of the eye. And now that we have this really defined soft smoke on the eye, I'm going to go into Glow Up right here and just take a tiny bit of this right on the lid with my finger, very gently. This isn't going to be super intense. Think of it more as just a really soft wash of color on the lid. All right, I'm going to go throw on a tiny bit of mascara, and I'll be right back to go into the next item in the box. All right, I am back, and we are on to the next item in the box. Now, I really like the way the brush has performed. This is one of those, like, flat-ish buffer brushes that's really great for, like, getting into the crease and blending and diffusing upwards. I really could see this being, like, a staple if you need it, but it is a little on the flexible side, so it's not like a rigid brush if you want like a full-on smoky eye, but it still works, so I have no issues with it. The next item out of the box I have used before, and I have makeup on my face, so obviously I can't use it now, but this is the Purlisse Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. Retailing for $6, the sun can really dry and dehydrate the skin, especially in the peak of summer. Formulated for all skin types, this sensitive skin mask contains blue lotus, seaweed, mulberry, and anise to combat dryness, inflammation, irritation, and redness. I almost said in radiance. Radiance is a good thing. We're not trying to fight radiance. Top tip, after cleansing, apply the mask for 15 to 20 minutes and pat the remaining essence into the skin. I'm very familiar with Purlisse. I've used the moisturizer in their Blue Lotus line, and I'm actually a big fan of that as well. So all in, a great product. I just obviously can't use it because, you know, we're made up already. So I can't really put a sheet mask on right this second. But definitely going to use this probably tomorrow because I want to go sit by the pool after tomorrow. So tomorrow night I'll probably put that on. Next item out of the box is the first one that I absolutely won't use and will probably get dropped in a giveaway. This is from Batiste. This is the Travel Size Volumizing Dry Shampoo. Put some oomph back into your locks with this dry shampoo. Great for when you are on the go and need a quick refresh. Made with collagen complex, this clean feel formula removes the oil, leaving your hair bouncy, beautiful, and volumized. Retails for $3.99. I do not use dry shampoo. It's not an ingredient or a thing I use. I just wash my hair. Right now, my hair is just washed and conditioned and pinned up. There's no, like, hairspray in here. There's a little curl cream, but that's it because, like, it's easy. I like easy, and I don't really use dry shampoos. I don't find that I need it. And the last item out of the box is from Verso. This is an eye cream. This is a deluxe mini that retails for $21. The full size retails for $60. This rich formula nourishes and moisturizes the eye area to ensure a robust skin barrier and healthy hydration level for soft, smooth, and supple skin. It owes its potency to a combination of fermented oat and hyaluronic acid, boosting yeast extract. That's a lot of words. Obviously, even if I try this on right this second, we will not know if it's doing anything other than how it feels. Skincare does take 28 to 60 days to really see results, and the second you pop it open, it starts to expire. This has a 3-month shelf life, so I'm not going to pop this open, and I'm currently in the middle of using an eye cream that I only recently opened, so I'm not going to be ready for this for quite some time, but whenever I do finally get to it, I will happily let you know what I think. So all in, this is actually a very decent box. I really am happier with the highlight than I thought I would be. I feel really shiny right now, but like in a glowy way. Like if I was to take a tiny bit of powder down and next to the nose, yeah, much better. I like how glowy the cheeks are. I also, like before I filmed, took a super illuminating setting mist all over the face, so that's part of the glowiness. But I do really like the way the blush is looking. The brushes worked out really well. Like, the eyes are simple, but they're easy. Sometimes you don't need a 9-shadow smoky eye or liner. You could just do something nice and lightweight. So all in all, this is a great box. I will leave a link down below to get, I believe it's your first box for $1. That will be a link in the description box. Let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!